Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 3D logo for a YouTube channel on mobile phone using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Canva application on my mobile phone, this one, and then I'm going to create a new design. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to choose logo. Okay, and to create a logo on Canva, we can use one of the Canva apps. I'm going to show you how we can access the Canva apps. Okay, you can go to the apps menu in Canva, and then you're going to search for logo maker. So we can create logo with AI in Canva. Okay, you can search for the logo maker app, and there will be a lot of apps in Canva that we can use to create 3D logo, but I'm gonna choose this one because this one is free. I'm gonna choose logo maker, and then we need to describe the logo that we want to create. But wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, we need to write a description. Okay, we need to describe the logo we want, include words, objects, colors, shape, and so on. And I'm just going to paste my description. Okay, this is the logo I want to create using Canva, and we can click on create. Okay, and basically we just need to wait until the logo has been created. But wait guys, I think my internet connection is not good, so let me retry it. Okay guys, and this is the result. The logo maker has created this logo for my, let's say, my YouTube channel. Okay, if you're still not satisfied with the result, actually you can use the other apps in Canva to create your logo, or you can search for the logo here. For example, I'm going to search for 3D logo, and there will be a lot of templates for your YouTube logo. You just need to choose the template that you like, and you can modify it. Let's try this one, and you can like replace the text with your own. Okay, and I'm just going to go back. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a 3D logo for YouTube channel on mobile phone using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.